Hey, welcome to Collector's Conquest. Today we got a holiday video. We're going to be opening these Disney Micro Teenies. They're little mini plush blind boxes here. And there's some really awesome ones in here. You can get Angel, Stitch, Eeyore, Mickey, Winnie the Pooh, and Minnie Mouse. So those are super cool. But we got 6 of them today. Hopefully we can get all 6. But let's start ripping into these. I've never seen anyone open something like this. So hopefully they look pretty cool. I mean, judging by the back of the box, they look pretty neat. But they gotta be small for how small this box is. Alright, let's see what we got. How do we open this thing? Oh, there we go. 3, 2. Is it stuck to the bottom? Weird. I think I have to open the bottom too. How does it? Oh, yeah, it slides out. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Winnie the Pooh. So I guess I ripped the top of it off. So don't mess with the top. Just kind of cut the tape. That is cool. A little Winnie the Pooh there. Got his own little box and it says Winnie the Pooh. There. Oh, there's like some kind of a piece of plastic holding it in there. We'll just leave them in the boxes. Alright, let's check out the next one here. It actually looks better than I thought. Alright, we're just gonna slide this one up. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Angel. Man, she's just stuffed in there. Angel is stuffed in the box. Let's just take them out. Why the heck not? There we go. We can at least show it still on the cardboard, but they get a little bit of freedom here. That is cool. Angel got the little Santa or elf hat there. Definitely a neat one. Let's see what Winnie the Pooh looks like. Escape from his box. Oh, you can see the scarf better on this one. Pretty neat. Alright, let's check out the next one here. Three, 2, boom! Oh, Eeyore. Check it out. We got Eeyore. Let's open his box here. Boom. Check that one out. That is super cool. Eeyore's got the tail. Got a Santa hat on. Man, that is cool. I can't wait to see Mickey. I think Mickey's probably my favorite. Alright, what are we going to get in this next one? Three, 2, Boom! Oh, we got Mickey. I love how Mickey looks in the box there. Definitely want to keep that one nice. So if you look on the tab there, it says Big Fun Micro Size. I wonder if they all say that. I don't know where all the boxes went. We'll check on the next one. But let's see what Mickey looks like out of the box. He's got the Santa hat. Got the scarf. Pretty cool. I'm putting Mickey back in the box because he's my favorite and I like how he looks in the box. Like a little classic Mickey. Alright, we got 2 more left. Here we go. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Minnie Mouse. Looks kind of like Mickey. Well, besides the dress there, but can't really see the eyebrows in the box. There you go. Looks pretty cool. Got a scarf. Got the dress. The Santa hat. That is pretty awesome. So we're down to our last one here. You guys like these things? I mean, I think they're kind of cool. Maybe for, I think they were $5 each. You could probably find a better quality, I know you can find a better quality plush for $5, but hey, these are pretty fun though. Little mystery blind boxes here. But I mean, it's kind of hard now that they've made like Squishmallows at Five Below and stuff. I mean, you can get a really nice plush for $5 now. But hey, like I said, these are fun. 3, 2, boom! Yeah, Stitch. Check out Stitch. Oh, they do have the character on the tab there. So that's a cool little Easter egg. There we go. We got Stitch. The ears, the Santa hat. Pretty awesome. So let's look at all of them. They all seem to be paired up. So let's pair them up. Stitch and Angel. We got Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore right here. And then you got Mickey and Minnie right there. Let me know what your favorite character was out of these. I mean, mine is definitely Mickey, but I like them all. I think they're all pretty cool looking, but just this Mickey in the box. I'm gonna probably put this out during Christmas. Just put it up on the shelf or something. So, man, that was cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these micro teenies. I know they put out some other different licenses like Hello Kitty and stuff for Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to end up getting those, but definitely enjoyed opening these Disney ones. Thanks for checking out Collector's Conquest. I got a main channel. If you hit the description of this video, you'll see a link to the main channel. On that channel, I do a lot of toy hunts, convention videos, Also go out to the movies, see what's playing, check the mall, see what kind of toys are out for that movie, and also review the movie. There's also a channel membership for the channels. You can just hit the link in the description for that. That'll let you join through YouTube. If you want to join through Venmo, just email me collectorsconquest@gmail.com or hit me up at collectorsconquest on Instagram. Either way, every month I send out a swag item, usually a postcard, a sticker, or the custom trading cards for the channel. You also get full access to my members only exclusive videos, and you get your name after the video just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest town membership. So many exclusives, don't want to miss.
Check out Pophouse with Animal. His collection and drive is unmatchable. If trading cards and toys are your thing, you know every day he's gonna bring.
Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She roars with the magnet, all looking back. Pterodactyl grit, T-Rex attack, taking no prisoners. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Check out T-Man, YouTube channel. Get super heroes towards fight, always in the battle. Beanie T's video games are so cool. If it keeps the awesome stuff, this guy rules.
Check out, I'm saying, she got so much stuff to say. I'm saying, crazy thing, rock and roll is what she brings.
Just can't match. Also my own, we no mobile, judge on big shoes, so watch this channel for real.
Check out Sassy Cajun. Her channel is an unboxing sensation. Fun Scooby, check out her collection. She rips squares with utter perfection.
Check out Cheryl's Collector's Galaxy. Our Disney collection looks like a gallery. Lounge, Flying Grogu, and don't forget Stitch. She shows so many awesome things, you'll never wanna switch.
Check out KeeTons Of Fun. When it comes to Funko Sodas, they're number one. Be a chase, same not 3 times. We hear the intro, the only showtime.
Check out 2 boys and their scary pops. On each side of their scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face slashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise.
Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes them ecstatic. Puppet Master and Killer Clowns, handmade by robots, he's always hunting down.
Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The stray dog shows all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Whoa, whoa, it is what your dog road chance.
Collectors Conquest channel membership. So many exclusives you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collectors Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers, we got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.